Welcome to our exploration of one of the most significant events in early American history, the Great Migration of the Puritans. In this video, we'll uncover who the Puritans were, why they left England, and how their journey shaped the development of the American colonies. Get ready for a fascinating look into the motivations, struggles, and legacy of these determined settlers. 1. Who were the Puritans? The Puritans were a religious group in England who sought to purify the Church of England from what they viewed as lingering Catholic influences. They believed in strict religious discipline, moral righteousness, and a simpler form of worship. Facing persecution under King Charles I, many Puritans decided to leave England in search of religious freedom and a place to build their own society based on their beliefs. 2. Why did the Puritans leave England? By the early 1600s, tensions between the Puritans and the English monarchy had escalated. The government viewed them as a threat, leading to increased persecution, fines, imprisonment, and even executions. In response, thousands of Puritans chose to embark on a massive migration to the New World between 1620 and 1640, seeking to establish a new society where they could worship freely and govern themselves. 3. The Great Migration, 1620 to 1640. The Great Migration saw an estimated 20,000 Puritans cross the Atlantic to settle in New England, particularly in the Massachusetts Bay Colony. Unlike other early colonists motivated by profit, the Puritans were driven by religious ideals and a vision of a godly community. Led by figures like John Winthrop, they established structured communities, self-governing institutions, and a society deeply rooted in their religious beliefs. 4. Challenges and adaptation in the New World. Life in the New World was far from easy. The Puritans faced harsh winters, food shortages, and conflicts with indigenous peoples. However, their strong communal ties and strict work ethic helped them survive and eventually thrive. They developed town-based settlements, established churches, and created a government that balanced religious and civil authority. 5. The lasting impact of the Great Migration. The Puritans' migration laid the foundation for New England's culture, politics, and values. Their emphasis on education led to the creation of institutions like Harvard University in 1636. Their self-governing principles influenced the democratic traditions that would later shape the United States. However, their rigid religious rules also led to conflicts and dissent, forcing some settlers to establish new colonies elsewhere. Conclusion: the Great Migration was a pivotal chapter in American history, shaping the identity of New England and beyond. The Puritans' journey was one of faith, determination, and resilience, one that left a lasting mark on the American colonies. What are your thoughts on their vision for the New World? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical deep dives. Thanks for watching.